Henkel holds leading positions in the consumer brands and the industrial sector. We do brands like Brazil, but also when you step into an airplane, it's very likely that a lot of products from our adhesives technology business are in there too. I think the way the staff works has changed dramatically. Almost every meeting does have a remote participant. So when we talk about smarter workplace, we always think of a place that encourages people, to collaborate together, not to think too much about people being there physically, but instead thinking about the task or fulfillment of a project. Logitech helped us a lot to realize our vision and our philosophy of how a meeting room should look like and should work.
So video conferencing is really important for Henkel, especially after the pandemic. So I was responsible for changing the complete video conference platform at Henkel. I think we had around 300 video conference devices. In the meantime, we have doubled the number.
We started with Logitech Rally cameras and the Logitech Tab. Now with Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows on the Rally Bar family. We also utilize those especially for a faster deployment and for a more modern camera and framing features. We have taken away a lot of complexity. Wherever you go, it's the one button to push in order to join your meeting. The more it becomes a natural way of working, the more people will start leveraging it.
The employees are the heart of Henkel. So Henkel is providing a learning festival once a year, and Henkel employees are the teachers doing those sessions, but we are invited also some guest speakers.
The Learning Festival is a yearly event which pays into our global learning strategy in order to foster an engaging learning environment. The Learning Festival was a global event, therefore all our participants joined remotely. We hosted around 80 sessions this year, and roughly 9,000 employees from Henkel were able to attend, an increase on roughly 1,500 people compared to last year. Logitech's technology really helped our people joining our sessions. That brings people together, that creates cohesion and even a feeling of being one team.
I'm really proud that project was so successful. The equipment is well accepted by our users, easy to use. And that was a really key success factor for the project.
I think both Logitech and Henkel do have a strong strategy and vision on sustainability. The Logitech equipment has evolved over the time with great software upgrades, allowing these devices to extend life and not to become waste after a short period of time. I mean, every business trip that is somehow being saved also contributes to carbon footprint.
I'm really proud that we have doubled the number of installations because the demand was there, the success was there.
I feel proud that these things come to life and to see them working. We have a good connection with Logitech. We work closely together and we have a very much joint vision and approach with Logitech overall.